Okay, camera setup. This is with a camcorder, and right, seems to be holding a lot better on that one. This is at 16 times zoom is this. Just back out a bit. There we go. Right. No live shooting on this one yet, but we'll get there. Right, we thought we'd do a bit of live shooting now anyway, see what she's like. Going for the old. Get this scope set up to 30 yards, 33 yards. So we can't. Our lassie's washing blowing in Iceland Road. Better not put no holes in that, had we? Just experimenting with the zoom on it. So. But, it's holding up anyway. Don't forget this target at the bottom of the garden. It's about 18 yards away at the moment, and the hole is less than a 10p size, or less than a pound coin size, which I will show you in shortly. Right, we'll try this one again. I've just realised I've actually put the camcorder the wrong way around, because I'm going to hold this on its side because of the camera mount, which you may see in the pictures later on. But right, this is the hole that we've been shooting at, and there's a pound coin. Apart from that one stray, which was the first shot, it's everything's covered by a pound coin, 18 yards. So the grouping's pretty good. Don't forget, this is a grouping I did with the camera the other day as well, so that gives you an idea what's happening. Thank you very much. More to come.